Forgot Facebook password? No problem. In today's video I will show you how to recover Facebook password, or forget and recover account. I came to my computer screen, will come in any browser, go to the Facebook website. Now click on forget password. Now enter the email or number with which you opened your Facebook account. Click exit. If this is your account, click continue. Then a confirmation code will be sent to the number or email address you provide. Check email. A 6-digit code came from Facebook. Copy it. Now confirm with the code. Now enter a new password that you will remember, and be a strong password. I am using a strong password. Enter the password and click continue. After clicking, your account will be successfully logged in. Hope you have benefited from watching this video. Thanks for watching the video.